Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm very happy to be with you today to make an unboxing video of the Marshmallow Marseille by Wandering Oracle. And it's the second version of this deck. I have the first one over here. So we're gonna discover together this one today, and I'm gonna give you the main differences between the two decks. This one is no longer published, and if you want to purchase this deck, you will purchase this version now. So first we're gonna open it. So as you can see, I put a candle over here, a pink one, light pink, and I got marshmallows over here. I thought it was nice to have marshmallows, to have the fragrance of the marshmallows during this video. So I hope you're gonna enjoy it. So first you can see that the box is different. This is a heart box. This is a tuck box. So I'm gonna just show you the box. That was the first one, a tuck box, regular box. And today we have a nice hard box. And yeah, it's magnetic, see? So very nice, look at that. We'll see the cards after. For either wrong, thanks for the magic sister. So this is a special dedication to someone. Very, very nice box, very beautiful. You can see that it's holographic. The title, the design over here, even everything around the box. It's very, very, very beautiful. I love it. So this deck was gifted to me by the creator. So thank you very much. I really appreciate that, so that I can make a video for you guys. And we're gonna see the cards now. So there is a difference. I know about that. So I'm gonna put the boxes away. Yeah, the backings are different. The first edition was like this, a purple, kind of light purple with white designs. Today it's still purple, but it's a bit darker. And as you can see, the designs are holographic today. So this is very, very beautiful. I mean, gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I love that very much. So I think the cards are the same, but it looks like the cardstock is different. Yeah, so they're kind of shinier. The new ones are shinier than the old ones. And I think it's the same, kind of the same, but they look different and a bit linen, you know. I don't know if you're gonna see that. Yeah, you can see, I think. You can see the lines. So this is beautiful. And one more thing, I think the colors are a bit darker on the new one. It looks like they're a bit darker. So the main differences, the cardstock, the colors a bit darker on this one, the backings, and of course the box. So now we're gonna have a look at the cards. So here is the full. So I have to tell you a little story about this deck. I'm not a Marseille person too much. I explain. I'm French, you know that, but I'm not into le tarot de Marseille that much. I like the Rider-Waite-Smith better. Maybe because I was influenced when I was younger. I used to live in the US, so maybe that's why I like the Rider-Waite-Smith so much. And I don't know, it was hard for me to get access to the Marseille because of the illustrations. They don't speak to me like the Rider-Waite does. And this deck is the first one that opened the doors of the Marseille deck to me. So that's why it's very important for me to have this deck. And I look the Marseille decks in a different way now. So yeah, this deck is very important for me. I like it very much. So la papesse, the High Priestess, l'impératrice. So I'm gonna say the name in French because I'm French. So it's like that with Marseille's deck. So what I like in this deck is that it's not I don't know how to explain that. It's kind of hard, but I like the designs better than in the Marseille deck usually. And the colors are so beautiful. It's a sweet deck. And that's why maybe I want to learn more about the Marseille now. L'Empereur, le Pape, stunning, l'Amoureux, le Chariot, very beautiful backings. Justice, l'Ermite, the Hermit, beautiful. La Roue de Fortune, la Force, le Pendu, Death, Temperance, Devil, la Tour, la Maison Dieu. In English we say the Tower, and in French is la Maison Dieu. A bit like the House of God, you know. L'Étoile, la Lune, one of my favorite cards. Le Soleil. I like how they choose to write the name of the cards like this. You know, it's not as strict as the Marseilles usually. I don't know if I use the right word, but yeah, I like this one. It's my favorite Marseille deck. And it will remain my favorite Marseille deck ever. I'm sure about that. Le Monde. So now we're gonna have a look at the other ones. Maybe not all of them, but this is the Ace of Cups. Une pure construction de l'esprit. A pure construction of spirit. Beautiful. I like that everything is in French in this deck too. Three of Cups. Very simple, very beautiful. I don't know. I just love this deck very much. Valet de coupe, Cavalier de coupe, Knight of Cups, Queen of Cups, so beautiful. I love the colors. Green, pink, so nice. Roi de coupe and Ace of Pentacles. Those are the pentacles, beautiful. Valet de denier. Oh, my cat is making noise. It's so hot in here. Very, very hot. Cavalier de pentacle. De denier, sorry. Pentacles in English. Roi de denier. Ace of Wands, As des bâtons. Oops. sorry. 2, 3, beautiful, beautiful colors, beautiful designs. And now, valet de bâton, cavalier de bâton, reine de bâton, roi de bâton, ace of swords, beautiful. I like this suit very much, very, very much. And I like all of them. Valet d'épée, cavalier d'épée, reine d'épée, roi d'épée. Stunning, really, really, really beautiful. Okay, so to me, it's even more beautiful than the first one. I love the first one, but I like this one too. So colors may be lighter on this one. See the full, I don't know if you can see it very good on the video, but yeah, a bit darker on this one. So very nice, a very beautiful deck. Let me show you the box again. Hard box, pink with holographic designs, and the backings. Oh my gosh, these backings. Yeah, beautiful, 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 beautiful. So thank you for watching, you guys. I hope you like this video. If you want to purchase this deck, I'm gonna leave the links down below, of course. And you know what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna get a marshmallow. So yeah, I love the smell of these marshmallows. They smell pretty good. So you guys take care, and I will talk to you soon in another video. Thank you. Bye bye.